If you want to disable the setting that lets websites check whether you have saved payment methods in Microsoft Edge, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a moment. This is a quick privacy setting that can help reduce what sites are able to detect about your browser and saved payment information. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the section called Passwords and Autofill. Click that option to open the saved information controls for the browser. This is where Edge keeps settings related to passwords, payment methods, addresses, and autofill features. Inside Passwords and Autofill, select Payment Methods. This will bring you to the page that manages saved cards and payment-related options. Here, you'll see the setting that says Allow sites to check if you have saved payment methods. This option lets websites ask Edge whether you have payment information saved in the browser. To turn it off, simply toggle that setting to the off position. Once it's disabled, sites will no longer be able to check whether you have saved payment methods in Edge. That means you've now changed the privacy settings successfully. It's a very small change, but it can be useful if you want a little more control over how websites interact with your browser data. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just go back to the same payment methods section and switch the toggle back on. And that's all there is to it. You've now disabled Allow sites to check if you have saved payment methods in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tips and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.